What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just installed this diverter elbow right here. Because this unit is sitting a little too close to this eave right here, right? Well, the fan, if you know the thing about the fans, they blow air this way, right? Kind of like at a 45-degree angle and then straight up. So the hot air was being blown out into the underneath the eave and recirculating right back into the unit, causing the pressures to be way too high. And I'll show you guys right now. It's about 100 degrees out right now. So I took this last week. You can see 531, way too high. And now 460, and it was 100 degrees last week as well. So when it got up to 105, 110, it's going to shut off on high head pressure. So that's how we fixed that. And there's another unit down there that we're also going to do it too, but they wanted us to do this one first. It's kind of like a budgeting issue. Now that one is not such a big deal because that one is an older unit and it does not have nearly the same issue that this one is having with the pressures being so high. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Well, as always, thanks for watching. I make these videos because you guys may one day run into a scenario like this. And, you know, some people could say, oh, you know, well, let's just, you know, bring it out a little bit. And that you could have done that as well, but that's obviously a lot more involved. And if you can afford, and this is a lot more affordable than moving the whole thing out, reducing your walking space, having to move the electrical over, the drainage over, everything, and the ductwork that you have to make. This was a much better solution for the issue that they were having. All right, well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see y'all on the next one. Peace.